आज हमारा ऑनलाइन सेकंड लेक्चर है जिसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे जो जो टॉपिक आज हम करने जा रहे हैं 2000 इसमें हम चैप्टर नंबर 2 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज़ लॉजिक ऑफ क्वांटिफाइड स्टेटमेंट्स। जो टॉपिक आज हमारे लेक्चर में इंक्लूडेड हैं 2000, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेडिकेट्स, quantifiers, universal and existential statements, truth and falsity of universal and existential statements. Then we will transform from informal to formal and formal to informal as well, and universal conditional statement, and then writing universal conditional statement formally and informally, and then at last we will go on negation of quantified statements. Predicate. A predicate is a sentence which contains finite number of variables and becomes a statement when specific values are substituted for the variables. यानी एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसके अंदर कुछ वेरिएबल्स इन्वॉल्व हैं और जब उन वेरिएबल को हम कुछ वैल्यू असाइन करेंगे तो वो स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। The domain of a predicate variable is the set of all values that may be substituted in place of the variable. Truth set. If p of x is a predicate and x has domain D, the truth set of px is the set of all elements of D that make p of x true when substituted for x. In the truth set of p of x is denoted by x belonging to D such that p of x is true. Predicate में हम एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल जिसका हमने रेफरेंस अपने चैप्टर 1 में भी दिया था कि अगर मैं एक सेंटेंस आपको बताऊं कि ही इज़ ए कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, तो ये एक ऐसा सेंटेंस है जिसमें कि ही अननोन है। तो अगर ही की जगह उसकी कोई वैल्यू दे दी जाए, मसलन अली इज़ अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, तो ये एक स्टेटमेंट बन जाएगी और ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू भी हो सकती है और फॉल्स भी हो सकती है, डिपेंड करता है कि अली कॉलेज में पढ़ता है या नहीं, राइट। तो अगर ही की जगह पर मैं एक्स लिख लूँ, एक्स इज़ अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, तो ये इस सेंटेंस को हम कहेंगे दिस इज़ पी ऑफ एक्स, यानी इसके अंदर एक वेरिएबल है एक्स जिसकी वैल्यू असाइन करने से ये स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन x is a college student is a predicate. For any two predicates p of x and q of x, the notation p of x with some implication and q of x. This is the sign that every element in the truth set of P is in the truth set of Q. In the notation, this double implication, that P of x double implication Q of x, means that P and Q both have identical truth sets. Now let's consider the predicate x is greater than 0, where x is belonging to real numbers. So if we discuss the truth set of this predicate, then this will include all those values which are positive, and the values are coming from the set of real numbers. Therefore, the truth set will include all those x which are belonging to the positive real numbers, right? Now let's come on an example. Let p of x is a factor of 8, q of x is the predicate, x is a factor of 4, and r of x is another predicate where x is less than 5 and x not equal to 3. And here the domain of x is already given to us, that is z plus means only positive integers. Use symbols to indicate true relationships among p of x, q of x, and r of x. Now here let's talk about the truth set of p of x. So that will be including 1, 2, 4, and 8. And q of x, truth set of q of x is 1, 2, and 4. As every element in the truth set of q is in the truth set of p, therefore we can write the truth set of q is contained in p of x with this symbol. Now the truth set of R is 1, 2, and 4, which is identical to the truth set of Q of x. Therefore, we can give a sign between the truth sets of Q and R. Now let's come on another predicate that contains two variables x and y, and here it is the predicate x plus y is equal to x minus y, where the domain for x and y is the set of all real numbers. Determine the truth value of q of 5, minus 2, q of 4.7, 0, and determine the set of all pairs of numbers x and y such that q of xy is true. So here in part A, let's solve this, that we have 5 as a value of x and minus 2 as a value of y. So in above equation, we are going to substitute x and y over here. So x is 5 plus minus 2 is equal to 5 minus minus 2. It means 3 is equal to 7, which is a false statement. So this have become some statement. Now again, substituting the values of x and y, this predicate will convert into the statement. So putting x is equal to 4.7 in this equation and y is equal to 0. Here we will have 4.7 plus 0 is equal to 4.7 minus 0. That is a true statement. Now on C, here we are going to see determine the set of all pairs of numbers x and y such that q of xy is true. So to make this statement as a true statement, if we solve this statement, for example, x minus x is equal to minus y minus y. So 0 is equal to minus 2y. From here we will have y is equal to 0. And x can be any real number, but y should be equal to 0. Right?